Have you ever wondered what would happen if your organization faced a major cyber attack tomorrow? Would your team know exactly what to do, or would chaos ensue? In this video, we are going to talk about how cybersecurity tabletop exercises strengthen your incident response. Cybersecurity tabletop exercises are crucial tools for testing and improving your organization's incident response capabilities. They simulate crisis scenarios, allowing teams to practice their response strategies without the pressure of an actual attack. These exercises serve multiple purposes: identifying gaps in your incident response plan, improving communication between departments, and familiarizing staff with their roles during a crisis. They also test decision-making processes and evaluate the effectiveness of your current cybersecurity measures. To execute a successful cybersecurity tabletop exercise, start by defining clear objectives. What specific aspects of your incident response plan do you want to test? Then, develop a realistic scenario that challenges your team, such as a ransomware attack or data breach. Identify and invite the right participants, including representatives from IT, security, legal, communications, and senior management. Each person should have a clear role aligned with your actual incident response plan. During the exercise, present the scenario and guide participants through the decision-making process. Encourage open discussion and creative problem-solving. As the facilitator, introduce new information or complications to keep the exercise challenging and realistic. After the exercise, conduct a thorough debrief. Discuss what went well, what didn't, and identify areas for improvement. Use these insights to update your incident response plan and address any weaknesses uncovered during the exercise. To maximize effectiveness, keep the exercise focused and time-bound. Use visual aids or props to make the scenario more immersive, and create an environment where participants feel safe to make mistakes and learn from them. Remember, cybersecurity tabletop exercises are not one-time events. They should be conducted regularly, with scenarios updated to reflect the evolving threat landscape. By consistently practicing and refining your response strategies, you'll build a more resilient and prepared organization, ready to face real-world cyber threats head-on. First, these exercises simulate crisis scenarios, allowing your team to practice response strategies without the pressure of a real attack. They help identify gaps in your incident response plan and improve communication between departments. Second, to execute a successful exercise, define clear objectives, develop a realistic scenario, involve the right participants, and conduct a thorough debrief to identify areas for improvement. Finally, remember that these exercises should be conducted regularly, with scenarios updated to reflect the evolving threat landscape. This consistent practice builds a more resilient and prepared organization, ready to face real-world cyber threats. Let's recap the key points about cybersecurity tabletop exercises. Thank you for watching our video on cybersecurity tabletop exercises. We hope you found it informative and are now better prepared to strengthen your organization's incident response capabilities.